In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy crypto on Coinbase wallet in 2025. Crypto purchasing might seem a bit daunting at first, but don't worry. I'm here to guide you through the entire process step by step so that you can feel confident every step of the way. To begin, you'll want to open the Coinbase wallet app on your device. Whether you're using a smartphone or a tablet, it's important to ensure your app is up to date for the smoothest experience. Once the app is open, you should be on the home screen where you'll see your existing assets if you have any. From this point, we're ready to dive right into buying crypto. Now on your screen, you should see an option to buy. Tapping on this will initiate the purchasing process. This is your first official step into the world of crypto trading on this platform, and it's quite user-friendly and straightforward. By hitting buy, you're essentially setting the wheels in motion to purchase your chosen cryptocurrency. Next, you'll see a list of various cryptocurrencies available for purchase. This is where you get to decide which currency you'd like to acquire. Scroll through the options presented and select the one that aligns with your investment strategy or curiosity. The Coinbase wallet offers a wide range, so you have a lot to choose from. Once you've selected your cryptocurrency, the next step involves choosing your payment method. When it comes to payment methods, Coinbase Wallet provides a few options. You can link a debit card or a bank account directly to the app, or you can use funds in the app itself if you already have some crypto stored that you'd like to exchange. Select the method that works best for you. Remember, each option will have its specific processing time and potential fees, so keep those in mind when making your choice. After selecting your payment method, you'll need to enter the amount of the chosen cryptocurrency you wish to purchase. Pay attention to the current market rate and how much you're willing to spend. This part involves a little bit of math, but don't worry, the app usually helps calculate the corresponding amount based on the crypto's current value. Once you've entered the desired amount, the app will prompt you to complete the transaction. Just follow the app's prompts to finalize your purchase. This could involve confirming your details and authorizing the transaction. Make sure to review everything carefully to ensure all is correct, as this secures your purchase and protects your assets. And there you have it. With those simple steps, you've successfully purchased cryptocurrency on Coinbase Wallet. By following these steps, you're now part of the exciting world of digital currency investment. Happy trading!